Whether it's for lifestyle reasons, relocation, travel, or family obligations, many people are looking for jobs that don't require being in office. According to the Bureau of Labor and Statistics, remote work has risen by 31% recently. If you are looking for a job that you can do from anywhere, you can benefit from learning about the different careers that are well suited for remote options. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before watching the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video we will tell you remote jobs you can do from anywhere and offer salary information and job details for each one. Data entry clerk. National average salary, $26,988 per year. Primary duties: data entry clerks gather data and report information to computer databases. Their daily activities can include capturing data, interpreting documents, and contacting people to verify information. For a career as a data entry clerk, people typically need a high school diploma. Customer service representative. National average salary, $27,260 per year. Primary duties: customer service representatives help people by explaining the details of company products and plans. They correspond with customers on the phone, through online messaging services, or via email, and often explain billing information. To become a customer service representative, you are likely to need a high school diploma. Insurance verification specialist. National average salary, $29,700 per year. Primary duties: insurance verification specialists work in the healthcare industry. They contact insurance providers to ensure patient health coverage benefits. These people regularly correspond with doctors' offices, patients, patient care advocates, and insurance companies. Becoming an insurance verification specialist regularly requires a high school diploma or GED. Medical billing specialist. National average salary, $33,060 per year. Primary duties: medical billing specialists work with insurance companies, doctors' offices, treatment centers, and patients to calculate and collect payments for medical procedures. They enter data, prepare invoices, and use medical billing codes. Jobs in medical billing typically require a high school diploma or associate degree. Recruiting coordinator. National average salary, $36,570 per year. Primary duties: recruiting coordinators are human resource specialists. They work as mediators between recruiters, businesses, and potential employees. They review applications and resumes and conduct preliminary interviews. People in this position also make hiring suggestions and prep recruiters for interviews. Becoming a recruiting coordinator often requires a bachelor's degree in human resources or business administration. Virtual assistant. National average salary, $38,220 per year. Primary duties: a virtual assistant performs administrative duties on behalf of another individual. Assistants regularly manage files and emails. They coordinate schedules, screen phone calls, and arrange meetings. Sometimes a virtual assistant may be assigned tasks relating to social media and maintaining professional profiles. Personal or executive assistant jobs typically require a high school diploma or associate degree. Freelance writer. National average salary, $38,440 per year. Primary duties: freelance writers create content and copy for multiple companies. They do not have a staff writing position. They work per word, per item, per DM, or in contract roles instead. They have strong creative or analytical writing skills and strong grammar and editing abilities. Freelance writers often write blogs, articles, and fictional stories. Becoming a freelance writer typically requires a bachelor's degree in English, communications, or a related field. Desktop support technician. National average salary, $39,920 per year. Primary duties: desktop support technicians install, repair, and maintain computer systems. They regularly troubleshoot and upgrade systems on computers and other equipment. Desktop support technicians work remotely with customers and clients to resolve IT-related issues. Jobs in this profession typically require candidates to have an associate degree. Graphic designer. National average salary, $40,104 per year. Primary duties: A graphic designer is a creative and technical career in which people create visual materials for companies. Graphic designers can work in various industries and are sometimes responsible for designing ads, logos, book covers, magazine layouts, communication materials, or product designs. They are skilled in editing, coding, art, and print design. To be considered for a position, graphic designers usually need to have a bachelor's degree in web design, computer programming, art or graphic design. Mental health case manager. National average salary, $40,565 per year. Primary duties. Mental health case managers work as liaisons between therapists and patients receiving mental health care. They check on patient status and work as a part of a collaborative mental health team. Jobs in this field usually require a bachelor's degree or master's degree in social work, psychology, or a related field. Social media manager. National average salary, $44,786 per year. Primary duties. A social media manager is a marketing professional who develops and implements social media marketing campaigns and manages brand presence. People in this position often curate and distribute materials for various social media platforms. They also manage and lead social media specialists and interns. Social media manager jobs typically require a person to have a bachelor's degree in journalism, public relations, or marketing. International ESL teacher. National average salary, $46,800 per year. Primary duties. ESL stands for English as a Second Language. International ESL teachers work online to teach English to foreign language learners in other countries. Their job functions include developing, planning, and delivering lessons. They also create and grade assignments, offer one-on-one instruction, and give personalized feedback. To work as international ESL teacher, candidates regularly need a bachelor's degree and one or more teaching certifications. Copy editor. National average salary, $47,040 per year. Primary duties. A copy editor works to edit, proofread, and correct content and copy. They work on behalf of companies to verify content accuracy, check sources, and prepare pieces for publication. Jobs in copy editing often require an associate degree or bachelor's degree in journalism, English, or communications. Translator. National average salary, $47,679 per year. Primary duties. Translators are people who interpret spoken or written language and convert it to another language. They sometimes work one-on-one with people to facilitate conversations between people speaking different languages, and other times they work independently to translate written text. Translators must be fluent in 2 or more languages, and their skills are regularly needed for book projects, academic pursuits, legal matters, and personal matters. To work in this field, people typically need a bachelor's degree. Computer programming. National average salary, $48,306 per year. Primary duties. A computer programmer is a person who writes computer code with the primary intention of bettering software, hardware, or systems. They design, update, test, fix, and implement computer programs and software using different coding languages. They work to solve issues during the coding, and they troubleshoot programs to optimize interface functionality. A career in computer programmer regularly requires a bachelor's degree in computer science, programming, or software development. Accountant. National average salary, $54,728 per year. Primary duties. An accountant is a professional who helps manage financial records. Accountants can work for individual clients, or they can manage financial tasks for a company or institution. They manage books, analyze data, and provide profit documents and spending reports. To become an accountant, candidates often need a bachelor's degree in mathematics, accounting, or a related field. Mortgage processor. National average salary, $57,883 per year. Primary duties. Mortgage processors or loan processors work for lenders, banks, and other financial institutions. They prepare mortgage documents and assess the fitness of applicants. They also make recommendations about loan amounts, approvals, and interest rates. To become a mortgage processor, you are likely to need a bachelor's degree. Copywriter. National average salary, $61,657 per year. Primary duties. A copywriter is a staff writer who converts information and ad material from various clients into attention-grabbing language. They are regularly responsible for writing blogs, articles, editorial pieces, and fictional stories. Copywriters have strong creative and analytical writing skills and a significant understanding of written communication and grammar. Jobs in copywriting regularly require a bachelor's degree in journalism or English. Content marketer. National average salary, $67,278 per year. Primary duties. Content marketers are responsible for creating content, ad materials, and ad campaigns. Their work is designed to generate new customers, connect with an existing customer base, and develop and maintain brand image. They strategize the promotion and implementation of marketing materials and collect and analyze consumer data to inform best practices. To become a content marketer, people usually need a bachelor's degree or higher in marketing or business administration. Project manager. National average salary, $82,340 per year. Primary duties. Project managers work in businesses. They oversee projects to ensure adherence to the mission and budget. They organize, plan and direct multiple elements within a project, and act as recourse or lead person for people involved with plan implementation. Jobs in project management often require a bachelor's degree in business administration or related field. Recruiter. National average salary, $97,315 per year. Primary duties. A recruiter is a human resource professional who finds qualified candidates to fill positions for client companies. They search professional profiles, screen applications, and contact potential employees. Recruiters pitch positions, make hiring suggestions, and act as liaisons between companies and their potential employees. They regularly conduct interviews, negotiate hiring terms, and facilitate employment offers. To become a recruiter, you are likely to need a bachelor's degree in human resources or a related field. Software developer. National average salary, $110,650 per year. Primary duties. Software developers design code and software programs. They create apps for computers, mobile devices, and tablets. Their daily routines include troubleshooting systems, testing computer codes, and performing quality control checks. Software development jobs regularly require a bachelor's degree or master's degree in computer science, computer programming, or software engineering. Psychiatrist. National average salary, $221,564 per year. Primary duties. Psychiatrists are medical physicians who specialize in treating people with mental illness and emotional or behavioral disorders. They can identify, diagnose, and treat patients using a combination of medication and therapeutic counseling. To become a psychiatrist, you need to complete a medical degree program and a 4-year medical residency. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.